At this point in your training, you should have gone over all the basics of data entry. Now we will shift gears to the second part of our data verification process, quality assurance. As a reminder, data entry enters data into our team entry sheet, whereas quality assurance makes sure the data is accurate and fixes trend breaks. The two responsibilities that quality assurance should be doing each time they work is one, checking every data point entered in every single county, while also paying attention to the state total to make sure that data was entered correctly. If evidence is found that one of the data points was entered incorrectly, you will go to a primary source and enter the correct data or verify that the data is correct. If you notice that there is something wrong with the state total, this can suggest that data entry has entered data for the wrong day, such as the day before, or maybe data entry waited too long and they accidentally entered the day after for the day before. Or you, the QA personnel, could be checking the wrong day with the comparison sets. For reference, when using the comparison data sets, we are comparing our data to three secondary sources: Johns Hopkins University, New York Times, and USA Facts. I'm just going to jump over to this historic sheet to give you an example of what one of the comments might look like, showing Johns Hopkins, New York Times, and USA Facts. And linked here is the primary source for New Hampshire. When a data point on our team entry sheet does not match the comparison set data, this is called a discrepancy and should be investigated further, especially if the team entry data point is off by a difference of 10 or more cases or deaths, depending on what data type you are dealing with, such as this row, positive tests, probable positives, deaths, and probable deaths. The second thing that QA should be doing is fixing every trend break. All of the blue cells that come up, both the dark and the light blue, represents a trend break. When one is done with their QA assignment, there should be no trend breaks or blue cells for the dates that were completed.